Morning everyone, today's first day of school na talaga na may mga estudyante. Kaya let's go, get ready with me! Dahil di tayo late sa first day of school, early jud na tayo ron. As in, naka-late. Si 7:10. Tapos 8 pa mag-start class. 8:30 pa mag-start class. Halika. Morning, Teacher Nan.
ตัวเล็กมันเล็กเนาะ
มันเล็กมันหลังมันขาวพอดี
Good morning! Good morning, Teacher Jen! Pax! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Pax! Pax, saan ka dyan? Ang ganda ni Maria. Good morning, teachers! Ohayou gozaimasu! Good morning, Teacher Min! Morning, Teacher Ong!你是林洛是张小跑。
ไม่ต้องอะไรนะ ภาษาเกาหลีนะ
哦
โคเรียนอ่ะ
林西林老师早上好，亲爱的。
ใช่ไชนีสอ่ะไชนีสอ่ะเซจากช่างหาวโคเรียล่ะโคเรียเซ
Korean. Ah, 안녕하세요.
อาจารย์เซโย
How to say teacher in Japan? Korean. Gusto mo? Ano yung pagkain, Day? Bon appetit! Bon appetit! Tingnan lang natin kung masarap ba ang fried rice. Nakala mong first day of school, pero hindi pala first day of school kasi 16 pa ang klase. My God. Akala namin may klase na ng estudyante pa sa 16. May tamig pa ni Odto, palit ni sa kantin. Kasi namin nga food today. Baboy.
What Bob?
Baboy ang gusto ko. Goodbye, Teacher On! Goodbye, Teacher Ming! Goodbye, Teacher On! Sayonara! Matashita ne! Okay, we're going home na. Aking mga beautiful ladies.